Hello everyone, welcome to today's math class. My name is Miss Ifine and we're going to be looking at in today's class understanding weight. Today's class we're going to be looking at what? Understanding weight. So I know many, before we proceed, I know many of us know one or two things about weight. We usually go for checkups and then we'll be asked to stand on a particular scale and we check our weight and then we'll be told our weight and given suggestions on how to better improve our weight if the case is needed. So I'm very sure many of us are familiar with this topic. So we're going to be learning a lot more about weight and how it is applicable. So first of all, wait we start with definition. Now, what is weight? Weight is how heavy something is. Weight is simply how heavy an object is. It is measured using standard units. Weight is measured using standard units. Now, what are these units of weight that we have? Number one is grams, which is also known in short form as G. Then we have kilogram, kg, and then we have what? Tons. So these are some of the units of weight. Now, these units of weight can be converted from one form to another. Now, 1 kilogram is equals to what? 1,000 grams, and then 1 ton is equals to what? 1,000 kilograms. Now, these units can be changed from one to another. Now, if you want to change from kilograms to grams, you do that by multiplying by what? 1,000. You multiply your kilograms by 1,000. For example, you want to change 50 kgs to gram. That means you're going to multiply 50 kg by 1,000, which is going to be 50 times 1,000, which is equals to 50,000 grams. If you want to change from grams to kilograms, you what? Divide by what? 1,000. For example, we want to change 500 grams to kilograms. You're going to divide 500 grams by 1,000. When you divide this, you're going to have what? 0.5. So 500 grams in kilograms is 0.5. So all those units can be changed from one to another by multiplication or through division. You just have to know what and what leads to what, like 1,000 grams, 1 kilogram, 1,000 kilograms to 1 tons. So with this knowledge, it will be easy to convert from one unit to another. So I hope you've learned something new in today's class, and I hope you'll be able to solve questions that has to do with changing from grams to kilograms, from kilograms to grams, kilograms to tons, and vice versa. So if you have any questions on this topic, feel free to leave them in the comment section and you'll get some feedbacks immediately. Thank you for listening in today's class. Looking forward to see you in the next class. Bye.